Photosynthesis.
Want to go to the park?
Photosynthesis is a chemical process that converts carbon dioxide into organic compounds, especially sugars, using the energy from sunlight.
This process consists of a series of chemical reactions that require carbon dioxide and water, and store chemical energy in the form of sugar. Light energy drives these reactions, and oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis and is released into the atmosphere.
Photosynthesis transfers electrons from water to energy-poor CO2 molecules, forming energy-rich sugar molecules. This electron transfer is an example of an oxidation-reduction process. The water is oxidized and the CO2 is reduced. Photosynthesis uses light energy to drive the electrons from water to their more energetic states in the sugar products, thus converting solar energy into chemical energies.
But one might ask, why is photosynthesis important?
Well, it's vital for all aerobic life on Earth. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere as a byproduct.
And plants maintain normal levels of oxygen for the environment, and photosynthesis is a source of energy for other organisms.
Oh, and don't forget, plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere.
If you want to know how a plant grows, it takes water, air and sunlight and makes cellulose. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Unlike me and you, plants need CO2, and they make oxygen that stops us turning blue. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. A plant of any size can do it if it tries, but we're not green, so we can't photosynthesize. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.